am CA Sagar Kadecha from BlueIQ Consulting.
If you employ staff in Australia, there is a major change to how you pay super that's new in effect. It's called Payday Super. Here what you need to know. Until now, employees could pay super guarantee quarterly, up to 28 days after quarter end. Under Payday Super, that's gone. From 1st July 2026, you must pay your employees super at the same time as their wages, and it needs to land in their fund within 7 business days of payday. There is also a new concept, qualifying earnings. This combines ordinary time earnings and other payments into one figure, used to calculate super, reported through Single Touch Payroll each payday. The rate itself hasn't changed, it is still 12%. Missing the deadline isn't a minor issue anymore. Late payments trigger the super guarantee charge, daily compounding interest plus an administrative uplift, and in serious cases, penalties of 25 to 50% of the unpaid amount. The ATO has said it will take a facilitative approach to minor, genuine errors in the first year, but a firmer line on the employers who don't attempt to pay on time at all. So, what should you actually do? First, check your payroll and STP software is updated to report qualifying earnings. Second, if you use the ATO's Small Business Superannuation Clearinghouse, note it's now closed. You will need a new clearinghouse or a payroll integrated solution. Third, review your pay cycle and cash flow. Since super now goes out every payday, not a once a quarter, and finally clean up your employee and fund data to avoid processing delays. Payday super changes how you manage cash flow and compliance, and getting it wrong can be costly. If you would like help reviewing your payroll setup or making sure you are ready, get in touch with the team at BlueIQ Consulting. We are here to help you navigate it with confidence.